Welcome back. In Python, we can assign a default value to a parameter in the function definition. This makes the argument optional when the function is called. If the caller provides a value for that parameter, the provided value is used. If the caller omits the value, the default value is automatically used instead. 1. Defining default arguments. To set a default value, simply use the assignment operator, the equal sign, after the parameter name in the function definition. Here, message and is underscore urgent have default values, but name does not, meaning name is still a required parameter. 2. Optional function calls. Since message and is underscore urgent have defaults, we can call the function in several ways. We can use the minimum required argument, which is name. We can override one of the defaults, or we can override both. 3. Rule. Required parameters first. There is a strict rule when defining functions. All parameters without default values must be defined first, followed by all parameters with default values. This is because Python matches positional arguments from left to right and must know which arguments are required. To summarize, default arguments make your functions easier to use by allowing callers to ignore parameters they're not interested in or they don't know what to put in. Remember the rule: required parameters must always be listed before optional, defaulted parameters. Our next lecture 12. 16. BMI use case. See you there.